Hi, I'm Vince, and I'm here today to talk to you about Mott Corporation's additive manufacturing capabilities. Additive manufacturing, in which our case we use laser powder bed fusion of metals, allows us to create designs that we cannot complete with conventional fabrication processes. We can get very intricate shapes, things that allow us to increase overall surface area of our filters, and that's important because in the filtration and flow control world, more surface area means more filtration capacity, lower pressure drop, and a more efficient process. In addition to that, we can print different levels of porosity within the same component, skipping the need for post-process welding, brazing, and other activities that would be impossible with conventional methods. So this piece in particular has 5 different levels of porosity that are incorporated throughout it, and that can be useful for a research application where we don't really know what type of porosity needs to be used, and we can play with different settings back and forth without having to interrupt the system or buy a whole number of different components to be able to complete that project. We work in a number of different alloys, including 316L stainless steel, commercially pure titanium, Inconel 625, and titanium 6.4, and many others that we can onboard and incorporate into our process. So check out mottcorp.com if you see if you could find a solution for your next project. Thank you.